fine. Then I will change the color so that it gets differentiated. Then I will add an other shape. Let's add a square right here, like this. Okay, uh, just a little adjustment here. So do you see it has become a composite shape?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let's add more to it. Let's add more magic to it. A triangle. Okay, who loves triangle? Oh, I forgot to change the color. Who likes triangle? I don't like it. Is there anyone who likes triangle?
No.
Yes, I like all the shapes.
Very good, Saira. Actually, I also like the shapes. I was just checking. Fine. So just a little bit adjustment, and then we will have a beautiful composite shape. So do you see a composite shape?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So basically, what have we done? We have just mixed a circle with a square with a triangle. So this collectively is a composite shape. So do you have any clues right now? Are you getting any ideas that how to find the area or how to find the perimeter of the composite shape step by step now? What are your ideas right now?
So
We
I
can
first,
think
we can divide the shape into pieces.
We can do what?
we have to find the area of a square and then rectangle and then half of a
We
circle. That's it.
we have to divide the shapes in A, B, C, and then first we can find of A, then B, then C.
Okay.